Now you will see how to configure your Astrometrica software. Once you have downloaded the image set, you will have to configure your software according to the image set that you have downloaded. Please note that the image sets are taken from survey telescopes Pan-STARRS PS1 and PS2. You will notice that the downloaded image set is labeled as PS1 New Practice 2 image set. This indicates that the downloaded image set was taken by the Pan-STARRS PS1 telescope. Hence, we must configure our software according to the image set to avoid any errors while analyzing this particular image set. In order to configure your software, go to File and then Settings. Click on Open. Now, since I have already downloaded the PS1 and PS2 configuration files, all I do is go to Downloads, click on PS1, and then Save. Okay. You will notice that your software is configured to PS1 on the right bottom corner of your software.